Okay, so back to the rotating butterfly. I started thinking, let's tape it down to the floor and see if that works. So, I have it taped down now. So let's see if that works. Okay, well, he's not walking off with it. And I notice you have to give it a little push. Oops. Now the fish is flopping. Stick that in here. I try to put it in little crevices. That's another video, the flopping fish. Let's give it a little push again. Okay, so as long as you tape it to the floor, this might be a good idea. It might be a good product. Oh, see? She can't walk away with it. So, maybe this might be a thumbs up. Now this is I don't know what it is. Because with a little innovative technology of duct tape, clear duct tape, it sticks to the floor. So check back with me, I'll let you know, because right now it's, I don't know what it is.